Hi. So now let us see one more example under third normal form. And this is, though it looks simple, something we are going to see in this actually. So he is asking that this is in which normal form, whether it is in second normal form or third normal form. Up to there, it is there. So you see, first of all, always blind thing is what you have to find the key. So find out the key actually here. So you see, on the RHS part of any FD, we don't have attribute B actually. So B must be part of primary key for candidate key. So if I find B closer, you are not going to derive anything. So let us add other attributes actually. So let us find AB closer. Are we getting all attributes? A, B, and AB deriving C, right? So AB is the one candidate key. Then let us have another attribute C also. That combination also let us cross check. CB closer. So CB closer is giving CB first of all, and C derives A, right? So this is also fine. So first of all, candidate keys are what actually? AB is one, CB is another one. If you observe, all of them are prime attributes. In a relation, we have A, B, C. Here A and B are part of candidate key. So A and B are the prime attributes. And here C and B, that means C is also prime attribute. So now if you take in the second normal form is what actually? Part of key if deriving non-key attribute. Non-key attribute, is it or not? So part of key is what? So here A, B deriving C, this is fine. Now if you take C derives A. So if you take C derives A, C is what actually? Part of a key, right? Yes, correct. Deriving what actually? Attribute. But whether it is prime attribute, key attribute or non-key attribute, it is a key attribute. But that means it is not a non-key attribute. That means this is valid, right? So this is going to become full. This is going to become full functional dependency. Got the point or not? So second normal form is saying that part of the key if it is deriving non-key attribute, but here A is not a non-key attribute. A is a key attribute because it is part of one of the candidate key. So it is there. It is already there in the second normal form. So concluded. Now come to the third normal form. Third normal form is saying what actually? Transitive dependency, non-key attribute derives non-key attribute. Again, take C to A only. C is a key attribute. Is it or not? A is also a key attribute. So there is no concept of non-key attribute deriving another non-key attribute. So because all of them are the prime attributes, the relation R is in second normal form and third normal form. So simply we are going to say it is already in the third normal form. That means it is already in the first and second normal form. Okay, so the relation it is in a third normal form. That is what the answer simply. Okay,